how to delete images and videos from your phone that are already backup to the cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, we open up Gallery from the home screen or in the app list here, open up Gallery. Next, we're going to go back to the Gallery homepage and then tap on the menu button at the bottom. Then from the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in Gallery Settings, we tap on Sync with OneDrive, tap on the left-hand side panel. Then we scroll down and tap on Free Up Font Space. Now in here, you can choose Delete All. Now because images are already uploaded to OneDrive, if you delete your photos and videos on your phone, you can always retrieve them again from OneDrive. So tap on Delete All, and here say 9 gallery items has been deleted. So if I go back to my gallery, I still have access to them. If I open it up, it will attempt to download to my device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.